Hello everyone, welcome back. Now work on this days and then years. So it is very simple. This is your menu items and then it is the days here. So you have to put its values and then on change. It is day then on change here. Make it a functions event and then set day. Okay, I think we don't create it at this days. Okay, we forget it. So const day then set day is equal to and it is just empty strings. Okay, because you need here this is days then set days inside it here dot target dot values. Okay, this is select here values then on change. Okay, and then this is a placeholder then menu item. Now it's a values generate days from 1 to 31 dynamically. Okay, so array dot form. Okay, from then inside your object length how many you want to create 31. There is a mistakes. This is inside object. Okay, this is right on the length. That is 31. And then here you have to define arrow functions. This is here underscore and then I means index. This one here and then menu item. Okay, so inside here I plus 1. Okay, because it start with 0, so that's why we have to create 1. And then key it is equal to I plus 1. And then values it is equal to I plus 1. And then SX styles. Okay, it is a menu items styles. Let form the document and then this is your about your days 31 days. And now you see here you can select 31, you can choose any date here and it's totally working here. Okay, now let's talk about years. So this is your next select. Now here you have to talk about years value. It is equal to year and then on change years and then set here and then a dot target dot values. The same style like this is here, copy it then paste it here. Okay, so okay we've already read, so you have to remove this as here and then menu items. Now here display years generated years inside it. This is years dot map functions and then here. Okay, this is mirror functions. Mu here it's here and then menu items menu items. Okay, this is here, and then menu items, it is a key. Okay, here, and then value is equal to here, and then 6 is equal to menu item styles. Now let's check here. Also your year it is visible. Got it from current year to 1891. So you can select any dates. Now it is totally working now about full name and then username. So this is here. Next. Now it is a very simple. Okay, so this is equal to full name, and then on change here. Okay, so this is event, and then set full name, and then e dot target dot value. This okay. Text field here, value placeholder values on change, set full name, and then last one about user here, that is a value, it is equal to, it is username, and then value it is equal to username. Okay, it is 2 times, it is here, you have to remove that on change event set full name e dot target dot values, then you got event. Now it is a fine, then it is just static code. This one here you handle submit function. Now this is your handle submit function, and then disable loading. You predefine your handle submit function. Whenever you just click on this button, loadings. Okay, I know that. You have to understand. This is the submit button. Then you have to send all the data to the server now. Here go to the top, const, and then submit functions. Let format your document, and then okay, so this is about your handle submit functions. Okay, so this is your handle submit function. So let's implement in the logic, because now this is time to send all the data to the server. So here you have to define it inside. It is asking function because inside to be used in the wait keyword. Here you have to use try and catch branch. So set loadings, and then you have to make it true, and then consent post request to the registered endpoint, const response is equal to await. This is a fetch, and then the dollar symbols process dot env dot next underscore public underscore API, then forward slash it is registered, then here method what it is post, and then headers write content type, which is equal to application forward slash JSON Okay, here you know about this one. This variable procedure.env next underscore public underscore API means this variables here. Okay, next public underscore API. This one, it is represent to your API folders means okay we don't have it inside app we have to create a new folder API. Okay, so this variable here next public underscore API it is represent to your this API folders. Okay, so this is your API folder and inside it create the register folders. Copy this and then here inside new folder register. Okay, then create a new file root.js files. Got it. Later on we will implement here the logic. So first we have to work on the client. Now here first work on the client. So okay, one thing in the body send it direct to the server. It is body json.stingify functions and then here's it is email and then password. Okay, full name, then it is a username, then birthdays. This is here birthday inside object. This is month, days, year. Got it. Form document. So this is year, birthdays, month, days, year. Okay. So okay. And then here convert response JSON into JavaScript object. Const data it is equal to await. It is response.json and then check it here if not response dot okay then it is alert and then dot message. Okay, here write what registration failed. Okay, then stop executions here. This is the return. Okay, and then here success message shown to the users. This is alert here account created success and then it is a catch block. Run if network unexpected errors occurs. Consoles not logs it is a error and then alert that is what something went wrong. Okay, then set loading and that is false here. Okay, now let me try to submit anything. Just here dummy data I'm going to use and now select month, days, years. This is username and then okay name this one username. You have to put anything. Okay, issue with name and username. So what is the issue? Okay, this is state issue with set user name. Now it's work. Let me refresh it. What we got? Okay, issue with that password. password. Okay, we forget that to put update functions, set password, and then here. Okay, let me rephrase, fill the details. Why password not working? Okay, you see, set password, type password, set password, password, maybe spelling mistake. This is here. Okay, why password, why it is not working here? Okay, maybe spelling mistakes. It is error functions. Okay. Set password. Here full with type password placeholder values password and then set password data target from values. Let's rephrase it. What we got is with recognize set password props and DOM. I know that is with something lowercase. Okay, you see, it is on change. So use fake filter to fill the details, and now we have all the details and then years. Okay, and try to submit, and you got the issue. You have to verify in the network tab everything, and it is very simple. Here, submit, and you see a register. Something went wrong, and then what payload? Response. You did not get anything from server. Method not allowed. I know that. Method not allowed. It is a post. That is fine. So you have to create this API endpoint in the next lecture. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.